Hello to all students. Today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is some specific endocrine gland like pituitary gland. Next is pineal gland and thymus gland. First of all, pituitary gland. First is it is a endocrine glands. Next is position. Next is once again position and location. Pituitary gland situated or located near to hypothalamus. Students, hypothalamus is a master gland or located below side of brain. So first specific point of pituitary gland is position or location near to hypothalamus or located near to hypothalamus. Second, located below side of brain. Next is figure. Students, this is a figure of pituitary gland. This is figure of pituitary gland. Next, this part is adenohypophysis or anterior lobe. This is posterior lobe or neurohypophysis. This part is hypothalamus. So human's pituitary gland to have two lobe. First is anterior lobe, second is posterior lobe, and human pituitary glands mostly two part. First is adenohypophysis, second is neurohypophysis. So next point is parts of pituitary gland. So first part is adenohypophysis, adenohypophysis. Second is neurohypophysis. It is also known anterior lobe. It is also known posterior lobe. Next is other name of pituitary gland. Students, pituitary gland is also known master gland. Once again, pituitary gland is also known master gland. Because it controls other endocrine glands and their hormones. Next is hormones of pituitary gland. Hormones of pituitary gland. First is GH. It is also known STH. GH, it means growth hormones. Pituitary, this hormone to stimulate human growth. STH, it means somatotropic hormone. Next is prolactin. It is milk secretion hormone. Third is TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. It means pituitary, this hormone to stimulate thyroid gland. So thyroid gland stimulate thyroxine hormones. It means pituitary gland to stimulate TSH. Next is oxytocin. It is milk secretion hormones and it is parturition hormones. Next is vasopressin. Next is gonadotropin. Students, it is also known ADH, antidiuretic hormones. It means these hormones to stimulate the absorption of water molecules in DCT part of nephron. Gonadotropin, it means gonado, it means testis and ovary. It means gonadotropin to control, to stimulate testis and ovary hormones. Students, there are some specific pituitary hormones like GH, growth hormones, it means prolactin, milk secretion hormone, thyroid stimulating hormones, oxytocin, again milk secretion hormones, vasopressin to stimulate, to motivate absorption of water molecules in DCT part of nephron. Next, gonadotropin. Next gland is pineal gland. First is, it is a endocrine gland. It means to secrete hormones, or secretion of pineal gland is hormones like melatonin. Next is position or location. Pineal gland located to above the forebrain. Next is hormones is melatonin. Next is other name, biological clock. Next is function, it regulate daily activities of human like sleeping, get up and others. Once again, it regulate daily activities of human. Next, third is thymus gland. First is, it is a endocrine gland. Next is position or location. Students, it is located above to heart and aorta. Next is hormones. Students, it is a chemical substance. It means hormone is a chemical substance, but mostly endocrine gland to secrete a tiny amount, and hormones to act on target organ. Next hormone is thymosin. Thymosin. Students, it is a peptide hormone. Peptide, it means it is a bond, but located between amino acid So thymosin is a protein because polymer of amino acid is called protein, or single unit of protein is called amino acid. So thymosin is a protein nature or peptide hormone. Next is thymus gland well develop in childs but degenerate or degenerated in old men. So today we studied pituitary gland first, seconds pineal gland, and third thymus gland. Student, in this gland, the first point is position or location. Second, other name, like master gland is other name of pituitary. Next, third is hormone, and last is function. For specific point of each endocrine gland, first is position or location, second other name, third hormones, and fourth is function of each endocrine gland or function of hormones. Next day or in next online class we studied thyroid, parathyroid, and pancreas gland. So thanks, have a nice day.